All right, get a good look at those taillights right now. Might be going away. What's up, guys? So I know it's been a while since I've actually picked up the camera and made a vlog car related for you. I know we've been busy with this whole trip and everything, but for today's video, I'm on my way to go purchase some taillights. So I originally wasn't in the market to go buy any, but however, on a forum over here in Florida, I was able to find some, and it caught my eye. So I'm heading down towards Orlando. Gonna go pick them up, see what they look like. But yeah, decently priced. It's just a little bit of a drive away. I have to go pick them up. I won't be installing them right now today due to time restraints, and then I also want to make a little video for you guys. It's been out there a couple times on YouTube, but you know me, I gotta document everything I do to my car. One more thing, I want some interaction too, so go ahead, pause this video, do what you need to do, but lay a comment down below on what type of headlights or tail lights you think I'm gonna buy, whether it be the Mars, Audi style, custom, blacked out, you name it. Throw your opinion or your guesstimation down below, and then let's have a conversation about it, see what you guys think. What's up, dude? You got some road rage? Don't see that every day. Oh, it's here. All right, boys, it is here. Low-key been waiting for this for a little while now. Some handy dandy jet tags, move before flight tags, whatever you guys want to call them. And here it is. Hashtag never idle on one side and hashtag buckle down on the other. So these are perfect for your keychains. You know, something to identify you. Alright, here you go. Merry Christmas. That's my brother, by the way. So, he's got a gaming channel. Wanna go ahead and throw your gaming channel out there?
No, I'm good.
This is Maya over here. I haven't had the chance to show you guys everybody around here. And you guys remember her. So, she made it out here as well.